This calf lives in an apartment. His name is Mr. Alex. Let's see his story. So, how did you rescue him, ma'am?
Hi, Sai. Meet Alex. Alex is a 3-month-old bull calf rescued from the streets of Nilangare. When he was about barely a month and a half old, he was crossing the road and he was hit by a speeding vehicle. So when we found him, his limbs were badly bleeding. His back was swollen, so we brought him home immediately, and we thought we should give him, first aid, and we gave him good rest. We gave him enough security, and he's blossomed into a fantastic calf now.
Great, ma'am. Is there anything special about him?
As a mother, everything he does is very, very special for me. But I've seen many bull calves before. They're all very naughty and very sassy, but this boy is such a gentleman. He doesn't headbutt, he doesn't kick, and he loves cuddles. He loves getting cuddles from both us and the dogs as well. He lives in a community that has a lot of dogs as well, so he's in a great symbiotic relationship. But the most special thing is that we live on the 28th floor, right? So when he looks outside the balcony, he's got the panoramic view of the Bay of Bengal and the Buckingham Canal. He loves that view. He's there during sunrise, he's there during sunset.
That's so cool. And I saw one of the dog actually eating some grass.
Oh God, tell me about it. So Alex loves eating the napier grass, and the minute we bring anything home for him, all the dogs line up and they all eat together. So it's like a community table where all of them are eating everything that he's also eating. It's so cute to see them do that.
And is there any reason why you named him Mr. Alex?
Look at his swag, man. He is the coolest calf ever. And when he first came walking towards us, because of the injuries on his body, he kept moving on the side like that with the head tilted. It looked exactly like how Alex Pandian moves. So we decided that he deserves a Talaivar name, and therefore it's Alex Pandian.
I really hope that this little Talaivar meets the real Talaivar.
Absolutely, absolutely. That would be amazing.